Tuesday, Wednesday, Mondays.
People bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning, and the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophets that are written on the subway